Hello, everyone. I just want to introduce you to my website that I've built. It's Create the Life You've Always Wanted, uncover a newfound personal success using our professional mobile promotion system. How would you like to start? How would you feel about starting a new exciting business from home? Now, this is I built this on the Conversion Pros model, so pay platform. And here you go. You have my So I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the first thing I want you to do. Then go through each one of the websites that I have on here and check them out for yourself to see the different methods that we have for you to make money online. And some of them are free, but it covers a very vast variety of things under the field of affiliate marketing. So you're interested in doing some affiliate marketing and save when you shop. It's all there for you. Like I say, first subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you more updates on more information about making money online.